This proves that you can get amazing images with simple gear. I know I'm shooting with the Canon R5, but trust me, you can get the same results with whatever camera that you have. For example, this camera can overexpose, right? If I take a picture right now, look, because I didn't get my ISO right, she looks like a ghost, right?
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
All right, guys, so we are back in the studio again with Miranda. And again, I have my Atomos Ninja 5 attached to my Canon R5. This bit is going to be like the most expensive part of what we're doing today, but trust me, you can get the same results with whatever camera that you have, and you don't need the Atomos. I'm only using it so you guys can see from my camera's point of view. So what is going to make this really affordable that I feel each and every one of you can actually do is I'm using an umbrella. I used this for the first time and I think I am in love with the quality. And it's really simple. Unfortunately, this brand is a little bit more expensive, but you can get like other regular umbrellas with the same silver interior and you get the same results. But I think I really love what HENSEL is doing. So if you can get it, that's absolutely fine. I'm gonna put a link in the description just in case you want to get the same one that I have, all right? But in there, I'm using a Speedlight, and you can see the Speedlight has been broken. I've had it for years, right? And I have it like going through this S bracket so that we can have this umbrella just go through that, and then it's gonna bounce in there and then come out and light up Miranda. This is something I typically do almost every single time when I'm shooting. And you can see it's not straight on, because like if it was straight on, it should have been in the shot, right? But it's coming in at the right angle. If I can just go back a little bit, you can see it's coming in from an angle, right? And also aimed down towards Miranda, so it mimics natural light, because the sun is all the way up, and if it's lighting us, it's coming from up, down onto us, wherever we are, right? And then my second light is also another Speedlight, and that is just coming through this 7-inch cone. This cone, I think, comes with every strobe that you own. But you can see today, we're using Speedlights for our entire studio shoot. And in the back, it's just a simple canvas backdrop. Whatever backdrop that you have is going to do the same job. So from here, you can see that's Miranda. That's our main light in the corner, and it's aimed again diagonally at here. And then again, I have this large reflector on the side just to bounce some light back onto Miranda. So this is how it looks from this side, right? Okay, so I'm gonna set this camera on the tripod and then we can start shooting. So again, I'll start everything working from back to front so you guys can see how we put all of these together, right? All right, guys, so now we're about to start shooting, but I'm going to show you what each light is doing and what, like, the positioning and how it's going to affect Miranda, right? So from here, you can't see the light in the back, but there's a light in the back right here. That is in group B, and that's my rim light. So it's supposed to edge Miranda, like, all the way here. And I have a cone on there, like you saw in the beginning, because again, I'm trying to really simplify the setup so that everybody can do it. So our main light, which is this umbrella, again, I'm using a simple umbrella. You can get this, is really affordable, especially compared to the soft boxes and those other ones I've been using, right? And that is our main light coming down towards Miranda and then lighting her up. And then I have this large reflector on the side, bouncing a lot of spill back onto Miranda, because we're using Speedlights, we don't have a lot of power coming out of them, right? And then I have one more reflector underneath over here, which is also supposed to, you know, bounce spill from beneath back up to Miranda. So we have like a lot of light going on right here. So I'm hoping you guys can now see my camera screen. I'm at 1/200, that is the sync speed of my camera, and I'm shooting at f2.2 and ISO L. I'm also using a 50mm, and that's because 50mm are very affordable. Unfortunately, what I have is a 1.4, which is a little bit on the higher side, but you can get like a 1.8 lens for about, is it $200 or $300? compared to this one, which is going for about like 800 or is it 1,000 or something. So you can get like a 1.8, and I'm shooting at 2.2. Just so, I mean, you can't really complain about the aperture. Your 1.8 lens can do 2.2, okay? And then we have the speed lights going on in the back. All right, so Miranda, are you ready? Let me just turn off our main light, and then we'll just start with our backlight. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. So you can see we have like a really nice cutout of Miranda in the shot. I'm gonna turn on our main light. All right, that's at 1/8. I'll take another shot. Perfect. And we have like a very nice light on Miranda. So now we can just focus on capturing amazing images of Miranda. Are you ready? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, perfect, keep that. Stunning, I love it. Yeah, perfect. Nice, one more. Beautiful, okay. Yay. One more shot. All right, yeah, that's beautiful, cute, ooh, stunning, keep that. Nice, now let's pretend I'm probably his hair and then you're looking at him. Look at my hand, yeah, right there, 3, 2, 1. Perfect, one more shot. Nice, just turn your face towards the light. Yeah. Let me give you a prop to hold. I like to give people who come in my old camera. Where is it? Where's my old camera? Yay. All right, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. If you want to take a picture, the last time I was crucified on my page because people noticed that the viewfinder is here. So if you want to bring it to your face, your eye has to go through here. Yeah. So if you want to include it, then you have to look through that. Yay! She's a pro. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Nice. Maybe you can also hold it. Yeah, like you're not going to take a picture or anything. Just have it around you. We have it. We have so many interesting shots, guys. All right, so I think this proves that you can't get amazing images with simple gear. I know I'm shooting with the Canon R5, but trust me, you can get the same results with whatever camera that you have. The most important thing is how to balance the light. So for example, this camera can overexpose, right? If I take a picture right now, look, because I didn't get my ISO right, she looks like a ghost, right? And it can also underexpose, so I can shoot, let's say, something like this, take a shot, and then you can see that we have underexposed. So the fact that I'm shooting with a very expensive camera doesn't guarantee that you're going to get like amazing results. You just need to know how to balance like the lights and all those things. So I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you learned something out of it. If you did, leave a like, let us know in the comments down below as well. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.